We are in the last month of 2024. Can you believe it? And we are entering to a brand new start, a brand new year, and also a brand new month for December. So I'm going to be doing my December reset today, and everything that I'm going to be planning for will be primarily finishing up 2024 and then also entering into 2025. So if that is something that you're here for, let's get started. Yes, you guys, can you believe it? If this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. 2024 has been a great year, I must say. I have completed a budget every single month of this year, and I've been able to save tons of money, and I've also been able to pay off tons of debt. So I'm super excited about that accomplishment. So going into December, I pretty much have all of my calendar completed already, because in order for me to have done my last paycheck budget, I had to do the overview for December already. So I'm glad that that's already done. So the only thing that I need to do here in this video is pretty much finish the planning for December. I'm gonna have some monthly goals and some top priorities here, and I'm gonna complete this for a moment and then we'll come back and talk about it. But first, let me get my stickers out. The stickers that I am using is from Isis Ella Jewels, and I 100% love her stickers. I will have her link down below if you are interested. I'm not sure if she's having a Black Friday deal, but if she is, you might want to get in on that. So I really love this doll here, Trinity, but I just want to see what else I have. I like Peace too. Have me some peace during this holiday season. Well, this is the doll that I think I use for, oh no, I use this one. So I'm actually going to use, I'll use her, which is Peace. I'm going to use Peace for December. All right, so I'm just going to put her right here. Thank you, Peace girl. All right, so I just wanted to lay my doll down. Now I am going to complete the rest of the month, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. Talk about what my goals are for the month of December. Like I stated, excuse me, I'm going to be going back to look at the year. I pretty much have done the calculations of my debt, like how much debt I've paid off and then almost how much money I've saved. But I do want to take a look at my entire year to see what I've done, and then also to see what I can do moving forward to improve my finances, and if there's anything that I need to do to continue to level up. So I will be doing that in a dedicated video, so that will be coming up. But I definitely want to focus on my water intake. I'm still not drinking as much water as I need to. It has definitely improved with me working out, but I do need to drink more water so I can continue to chase after being my healthiest self, and working out, making sure that I'm keeping that up. And then expense tracking. So I am having a Know Your Numbers challenge. And if you've been here, then you know that I've been talking about it for a while. In the month of December, we are going to be tracking our expenses every single day, no matter what it is that you spend. If it's a bill, if it's savings, if it's a piece of gum that you purchase, if it's your Christmas gifts, whatever it is, you're going to be tracking your expenses daily. It's going to be very important and vital that we're doing this in December, especially if you haven't been doing it, because it'll bring to life how much money we're really spending monthly, and it will help us to decrease in certain areas and hone in on that. So we're having the Know Your Numbers challenge in December. I do have a free tracker that I've offered, so please make sure that you take advantage of that if you need it. And I'm also going to be setting up my budget binder for 2025, and that will be a dedicated video for that. And I also need to decide what my savings challenges for 2025 will be. And I'll be letting you guys know the goal that I have for 2025. And yeah, so I don't want to give too much away, but just stay tuned for that dedicated video. And then also I need to decide what my 2025 financial goals will be as well. I know that one of the goals for this year was for me to open up a high yield savings account. And I think another one was my Roth IRA. And I can just say right now, I did open up the savings challenge, but I didn't open up the Roth IRA. So that will probably carry over for 2026. I probably can just open it. I mean, I didn't say contribute to it, right? I said open it. But I'm just trying to figure out how the year is going to go, especially with me needing to look for new employment. So we've already talked about the Know Your Numbers challenge, and then preparing for our annual no spend challenge. So I do a no spend challenge pretty much throughout the year, but it's really big, and it's a really big deal in January. So this is our second annual no spend challenge, or January no spend challenge. So if you didn't join us last year, or this year rather, in January, join us. We had a phenomenal time. We were doing our no spend. We had prayer Mondays, and we were going live, and we started out with a bang. So I will be thinking of more things to do in January for this year. Did we read? I don't think we read. No, it was somebody else who was reading a book. But yeah, so make sure you guys are tuned in for January's annual no spend challenge. I'm really excited about it. And yeah, so prepare for that. I need to look for a job. Yeah. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't feel like it, but I know it has to be done. I will be looking for a job in December, and prayerfully I can land one by February. We'll see. Y'all keep praying. Pray. I will be praying. And then I need to review my bills. What bills do I have? What can I close or delete? I really haven't. I pretty much have done this, all year. So I wouldn't be surprised if there isn't anything that I scratch off the list, because I've been doing this all year, throughout the year. But it's something that I do need to do, review my bills. And then I also am really excited about my new campaign that I have. And this campaign is to help 1,000 women save their first $1,000. Now, I had one of the boy besties, he put in the comments, he said, well, I'm a man, but I'm on board. So I'm not leaving anyone out. I just want to let you know that. And he knows who he is, Chef Bestie. I'm not leaving anyone out. I promise I'm not. Because I don't want people to think like it's just for women. I just know that a lot of women watch this channel, And I guess that's why I said 1,000 women. I don't think I have a whole lot of men. And I know sometimes it's real difficult for, I think, everybody. So, I don't want to say it's more difficult for women than it is for men, but I know that it wasn't the easiest thing for me being a woman and like a single mom. And I know that they're like single dads. So it's 1,000 women, but men are included as well. I just want to state that. But that is my mission for 2025. And I'm really excited about it. The thing is, once I saved my first $1,000, that's when my life really changed financially. I just had a new perspective on money, a new perspective on life. I gained a confidence that I'm able to do anything that I set my mind to, and I'm able to shoot for thousands, not just one, but thousands of dollars. I'm able to have discipline, and I'm able to have sinking funds and just have my money in a place where I'm never really at a lack. I learned how to make money. I learned more about money, investing and saving, even though I haven't really started. Well, I guess you can say I haven't. I mean, I invested in real estate, right? So I know once you break that first 1,000, and for some people it might even be 500 or, but I want to help you get to that $1,000 mark. And so that is my campaign for 2025. So if you are in on that, I'm excited. I'm excited. A lot of people have been telling me already that they are on board and they are ready to save their first $1,000. So I'm excited. Even if this is not your first 1,000, but you get to 1,000 and then you have to spend it, or you're almost close to 1,000 and you have to spend it. I want us to get to that 1,000 and then place the money somewhere in a secured account, like open up a high yield savings account and have that money just sit there to grow. So I'm really excited about that. Top priorities for December. If I don't do nothing else, I need to set up my budget binder. I need to figure out what savings challenge I'm doing, and then know my numbers in December. So these are the top priority. I'm definitely going to be, doing everything else, but these are my top 3 priorities for December. I'm going to breathe, I'm going to prepare, and I'm going to know that God has me covered. So that is pretty much the basics. I mean, there are other things that I have goals for, but I don't want to grow my list so long to where, it's just so long that I can't accomplish everything. I also want to note, today is Friday. It is Black Friday. And my workbooks are on sale right now, if you're not aware. So I have my No Spend Challenge workbook is on sale for $9.99. And then I also have my debt-free workbook, which is also on sale for $9.99. Everything is 50% off. I'm super excited. I want us to really go into the new year with a plan and with a goal, with many goals. But that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to make sure that even though this is a short one, I just really wanted to make sure that I even reminded you, if you haven't done your December reset, that you do it. I know we get busy at this time of the year because we have family over, we have Thanksgiving, Christmas, and we're doing Christmas shopping and all that good stuff, okay? So make sure that you guys do that. This is the Debt Free Journey workbook. You guys have seen me work out of this workbook plenty of times. This is a digital version, which means that you can print this version out and put it in your workbook. You can bind it any way that you'd like to bind it, but I like it to be personalized, and that's the reason why it's a digital version. Plus, it also keeps costs down. I'm not gonna lie, when it comes to like shipping and all of that good stuff. I love digital products because you can personalize them however you want to. So I very rarely purchase, but I know I'm not the only person. I know that's just me. Let me say that, because I know a lot of people have been asking me for a physical copy, and I am going to be working on that for 2025 as well, getting a hard copy out to you guys for those who would like it. that is pretty much it, I think. I am currently in the midst of, I haven't put out anything like I told you guys, but this is a daily dose of budget treasures, and I just haven't put the schedule out there. But just know that there will be a video out every single day until the end of the month. And then going into December, I am going to be doing Vlogmas. So make sure that you guys are tuned in. But that is pretty much it for this video. I will see you besties in the next one. Go be great. Peace out.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is